Oh, it's a calm, sunny morning at Mirror Lake State Park. And there's a class coming out this morning. We've got the canoe ready, the paddles ready, and something special that I want to show them. The dragonfly nymphs, after 3 years, crawl up onto a leaf or a dock, and then just like a caterpillar, a chrysalis cocoon, where the caterpillar changes into a butterfly, the dragonfly nymph opens up its back and out comes the dragonfly. It's an amazing, wonderful transformation, and the kids will get to see this morning. It's a great day so far. A little early, but it's very calm. We expect to see the bird's nest, the cliff swallows flying into the holes of the rock. There are lots of geese out here, and there are some goslings also, although I'm not sure I see any right now. There are lots of turtles. I have named this area Turtle Bay. I hope it catches on. I hope the kids get to see a lot of life out here today. It's just a beautiful day. Oh my goodness. Here is something even more impressive. There's the dragonfly nymph, and the dragonfly is partially out of it. It is alive yet and just beginning the morphing process. Oh, that's awesome.
I don't think we could have got a better day for this.
No, it's beautiful. As long as the kids can halfway behave.
When I came with Meadows class, we got out in the middle of the lake and it started pouring on us.
Oh, was that last year?
I can't do anything about that.
Are you counting down the days till the end?
I mean, I actually don't know the number. I think someone said 14. But
Yeah, Kira said you guys were on K yesterday, I think.
that's helping me go faster. It really does.
What, June 7th is the last day?
Yep. Yeah, it's just a half day, so we fully count. Oh, good, because if you don't paddle, we're not going to win here, Bella. They haven't done much. I'm following you, so.
And then it hatches into a butterfly. Well, butterflies aren't the only ones that have a life cycle like that. Dragonflies lay their eggs in the water, and then it turns into a bug.
Yeah. Is that what
Yes,
you got it?
it turns into that kind of bug called a dragonfly nymph or a larva, or some fishermen call it a hellgrammite, and it stays in the water for 3 years.
Oh, wow.
And then it says to itself, oh man, come on, I gotta be able to fly.
Yeah.
I wanna fly. So then it crawls up on a branch or a weed or a board, like that.
So he's trying to fly right now? Or is he...
And then the back of it opens up, and then the dragonfly comes out. But it's all shriveled up. He's been cooped up in that body, so he has to stay there and pump fluids into his wings. And then he'll fly away. And here's the thing about this. Today, if you have a chance to go over on the dock over there, there's a ramp that goes down, and then there's a flat part. On the third pillar, once you get to that flat part, third pillar on the lake side over there.
Aren't you so excited to
there's a dragonfly just coming out of the back of the Hellgrammite. So cool. And there's a couple others up here too.
Coming by this way.
Yes, go.
Yeah. Let's all remember the bad parts.
Let's stop that. Oh, I'm canoeing.
You're doing a great job. And you pedal sideways. Yep. Go. Put this one over it that way. Put this one and this way. There you go. There you go.
Go farther forward.
You can't hear. Listen for the sounds that you can hear.
How far are we going?
And that slows it up, honey. Sean, you're the power. Don't stop it. You want to keep cruising.
Now watch closely
I
by
used to
these
be
logs.
canoeing.
There might be something in there. Maybe
Put it up here a minute if you need to. Spin your
maybe nothing.
We can do this.
Can you see anything by the logs?
No.
Look. There might be turtles.
Snapping turtles.
Do you want to hold it if I find one?
No, don't go snap my neck. What if I found a tackle? What's that? Ow.
That would be fun, huh, Bella?
Then it can turn into a frog.
Good on He's having a business meeting. That would be the place.
Can someone go faster?
Yeah, you got it. You're the power.
No, I'm not.
Yeah.
How?
It's just all of you all together doing it.
Right, they're going to see a wall of rock. And watch closely because that's a bird's nest. The whole rock is full of holes, and birds are, maybe we'll see birds flying into it.
Where?
Right there, Kira. Right over Teresa's head. Now it's coming up.
What's over my head? A bird. Oh, is it something you need to swat?
Mom, you're getting me wet.
Sorry, Sean. Are they barn swallows? Yeah.
Mom.
Yep, now you can paddle in if you want to. Bella, do you want to sit on this side?
Mud in the winter, and they have to breathe, but their heart beats very slowly, and they don't have to breathe a lot, but you know what they do? They breathe through their butts during the winter.
Did you know that, Sean?
Yeah.
That turtles breathe in their butts?
Wait, why is the canoe? Wait, they breathe
We were just going slow to see if we could find turtles, but I'm not seeing any. Are you seeing any, Bella?
Oh, boy, so
I'm not seeing
that
any.
film on the water?
I see another birch tree, Bella.
You got it.
You see the ferns? Those are kind of cool plants too. Is it illegal?
Yeah.
Down the ferns. I love
Those are cool.
Oh, I see a turtle on this log.
those. Oh, I do now. Oh, yeah.
Oh, two of them. Two turtles in there.
3, 4.
Maybe 4.
Wow.
I can't see them.
4 turtles. It's in the green part, in the part that's green. That's not the green, not the big one. Cool. Oh, don't wave with Bella. You want to wave, Bella? Your friends are waving it, yeah. later they'll be out here, and then we'll be waving. You're like playing in the sand on the beach, Sean?
I see Grant.
Did you see Mac? Is he down on the
Yeah, I can
ground by the water?
I can
He's
see.
afraid of the street then?
Yeah, I can see. Oh my God. I see a bear. Lily pad.
Yeah, look at the lily pads. Look at it. It's like,
Brought here to eat. And they serve them in restaurants, only they don't say slimy snails from Mirror Lake. They say escargot. But they take the place, they kind of take over. So they're not a great thing to have. But I got to tell you about those little tadpoles. Every year in May, toads come from all over the woods, and especially right here, but all over the lake. And the toads, and they're trilling. And it's all around here just for a couple days, and they lay eggs in a big stream, and then within a couple days they hatch, and the tadpoles are very tiny, even smaller than that. And then by the end of school year, by June, the tadpoles are going to be fully grown, and then by the 4th of July, they're going to change into toads, little baby toads. And then the birds and the fish will eat lots of them. And I was telling the other group, when you come down here to the beach, there'll be lots of tadpoles around there, so you can pick them up like I did, but don't make little lakes for them, because then the lakes dry up and the tadpoles die. And we don't want them to just die.
You better start going before the rest of them catch up. Okay. For you. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Come on.
There's a big snake back there.
Where?
It's gone now. It's right there.
hey, come down to the TP. Walk down here once. Come on, Ruby. Walk down here.
Hey, yeah, yo.
What's this? It's not a beach.
Don't. Sydney, that's not funny.
What place is this? Where's the beach?
This isn't the beach yet.
Yeah. What do you think, Kiera?
I saw a water snake.
There's a beach.
Yeah, Ruby, you should have followed that snake. Let's go. You can see a worm. I see some. Okay.
Where is the beach?
What is it, Kiera?
Dragonfly, that's good.
Oh, no, he's probably just...
You made a friend.
Is Dragonfly on the list?
You can add it.
Look over here, it's like a onion. See this, Jackson? Show me, look at how many tadpoles are over here. Let's go. Here, let's go. Oh, I got one. You got tadpole? I got a whole bunch. I got one. Here you go, buddy. I got it. Oh my God. Now you can tadpole.
No splashing. Hey, there's no.
Gosh, you guys see all those tadpoles?
Yes.
Look at that, Kira. Oh
Yo, there's a whole army over there. I'm grabbing the baby. Give me the baby. Give me the car.
No, because we didn't bring extra clothes. Hey, Sydney.
Going up already?
Ruby. Ruby, don't do that. Hey, don't.
Your clothes. Don't put sand on.
My booty be bigger than that.
That was Kira.
Yeah, I know.
That was not my daughter.
That's my fault.
You taught her that last night? To make her booty bigger?
I got a bigger booty. That's what every girl apparently wants nowadays. I don't know.
I had a girl in high school said if you drink, it would make your butt. Nope, shake off. Come on, Jackson. Come on, Tucker.
Hands up. Your dog doesn't like that. How did I get so wet?
Dunk your feet in.
Hey, stay on the trail.
Looks like just a little conversation about how the day went. And it looks like somebody still doing a scavenger hunt here. The others checking it out.
Okay, know it? Big shot. No, now you draw for it.
Lots of parental help today.
And then we went to Pirate School and they're like, do not buy the kids ice cream. You put
down
You would need to look really you made the red one? Yeah. Wait, now you will do the white one.
It's been a great day here.
How is it going to be these two?
You should, yeah, but 7 before, not 16.
Look at the feathers. I changed the color. But he also got. I changed the color. Yellow. Haha.
Looks like it was a little bonding kind of thing today also.
Oh my goodness. We have come to the end of our field trip, and we have something very special to say to Mr. Gary.
Thank you.
Oh, you guys are welcome. Thank you for being good hikers and boaters and listeners.
Thank you. All right, so we are gonna walk together to the bus. We're gonna stay on one side because there are cars that are coming back from